Doing a little bit of recording here. Got the gain turned all the way up. I noticed that some previous tutorials, my voice is a little low on them. So let's test it out. Let's run this on YouTube to see if we get any white noise, any humming, seeing if I'm coming in distorted. And I got the gain turned all the way into the yellow. I wonder if I should keep it in the kind of like in the green, but we'll find out as soon as I drop this. Okay, you guys let me know. And like, subscribe, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Those are much appreciated.